gonna go ahead and show you all my recent find here. This is a vintage Lasko Box Fan. And the story behind this fan is my neighbors down the street were tossing it out and leaving it for the garbage service to pick up. So I decided to rescue this fan, and I mean, a free vintage fan, why not? But I think I know why it was tossed out. Let me show you something. Motor is totally seized up. The blade won't turn. See how blade is totally seized up? But you know, I think that I can somehow put some electric motor oil in the motor there, and the fan may be good to go again. And I'll go ahead and show you a view close up. Here's a view close up. Got your switch, high, low, medium. Look around the fan. Much thicker box than today's trash, you know, box fans. I don't know how well you can see that, but let's turn the fan around. Another plus to this fan is the full-size motor. Unlike today's box fans that use them trashy tin can motors. Well, anyway, this is my recent find, and thought I would share it with you vintage fan collectors out there, and hopefully it can be restored and back working again. Another thing that I forgot to mention is that a vintage Lasko Box Fan probably dates back from the mid to late 90s.